What's going on, guys? Today we got another video of me here sanding. It's kind of late, as you guys can see, but I've been sanding up a Stizzorm, you know what I'm saying? All this is pretty much done. I got this right here to do and that right here to do. Don't worry about the way I'm laying it down, because this Bondo is really good. It's Everclear Zeke grip, and I'm using the honey glaze and the hardener, so it's coming out really smooth and it just right over. So but I've got a package from CZ_mate. That's his YouTube also, and his Instagram, CZ_mate, M-A-T-E. So let's see what he sent me. Okay. So I opened up, and oh hell yeah, dude! Sent me some Hot Wheels. If you guys don't know, I'm a big fan of anything Honda. Oh God, maybe for the white CRX, maybe paint it black. What do you guys think? Leave a comment down below. I'll paint it black. I'll paint the whole thing black. Check it out. This is a 1985 CRX. I just had the red one. I don't know where I put it. I put it around here somewhere. I think it's in my bag, maybe? Well, the red one he sent me looks like this one. It's a 1988 CRX. Also, he left a note. I'll read it to you guys right now. So the note says right here, it says, Chris, I hope you had a Merry Christmas and you have a great New Year. Here are the 4 CRXs that I have extra. I can't wait to see more videos on yours and then see it for the first time drive. Keep up the great work, your friend Mike. Make sure you guys check out his YouTube channel. I'm going to put his link down in the description down below, and give him a follow. Tell him Lazymangarage sent you. One more shout out today. Thank you, Papa. Finally got to use this today. I had to take off my gas door, and I had to bang down the dents. You guys can see that's a low spot right there, and that's a high spot right there. So any high spots you ever get, you got to bang them down, because they will show through the paint. It's the first thing that when you're sanding, it's the first thing that turns the metal when you're sanding. So if you're ever sanding anything and you're going with a block and you're sanding it and it turns into a like metal dot first, high spot, lower it down, use a body hammer. I'm watching some Chris Sadowski right now, chilling. Young Static hit me up and he asked me, yo man, you got any panels? I said, yerd. So these are all the blue panels and the cargo cover. Here's another panel right here, and I forgot to send him, where is it? There's panels right there next to, don't ask. There's panels right there next to the wire. Those are the ones for the windows, because I don't think I'm going to be running panels in my car. If I do, it's just going to be A-pillar, dash, door panels, maybe. I might get rid of them later, because I'm planning on doing the harness bar, getting rid of the seat belts and whatever on the doors to make it a little bit more lighter. And I also plan on running the center console and, you know, the e-brake and all that. But as for the rear, I kind of like the gutted look, because it's just, I don't know, these plastics are old and I can't refresh them, and I don't feel like spending money on paint to paint them and then have them flake over time, or them get scratched or broken or whatnot or whatever. So I just don't feel like doing all that. So that's why I'm giving him the Static, because he has a CRX that he has blue interior already, like the dash, and he needs all the from like the door panels back. So I have all that. So Leo from Always Daily Motorsports, not Always Daily Motorsports, damn it, I'm having a brain fart here. Always Daily Motorworks. Nate and Leo, they're going to come and pick up all these parts, and then they're going to send it out, well, drive it out to him and deliver it to him. And yeah, so you guys will see that in his video. Oh. Straight hit my fucking elbow. Today is going to be a long one. So Robert's coming down, we're working on the wagon, and I'm gonna try to finish up the roof, seeing how I got a brand new thing of wire over there. But unfortunately, if you look outside, and I don't know if you can see that, it's extremely windy, so that's gonna suck. Welding in the wind is gonna really suck a lot. So we'll see what happens today. But today we're taking off the dash on the wagon, and we're taking out all the AC stuff because Robert's not gonna be running AC on the wagon, and we're doing a complete rebirth on the wagon. So there's gonna be a lot of wagon content coming. He got a new shifter from Hybrid, the Hybrid Racing shifter. He got a the Hasport wagon shift linkage, Feels oil cap, coil rad, and a few other things that are coming more as he continues to save up and buy more. So stay tuned. But today we're doing the AC on the wagon. Okay, so I had to let the camera charge. So far there's a 10mm here, 10 there, 10 on the other side, just like this one. You have to remove this bottom plate, which is 4 10s. Remove the cluster, which is 1, 2, 3, 4 Phillips, and then back here there's 2 more Phillips that are on the back of the thing. Be careful taking these off because you'll break it. Then you have to remove the climate control, which are these little hooks. They're a little bit of a bastard because they go into this hole right here, and these are not cheap. So I'm trying to be as careful as possible removing this one because this blue line goes into this and it controls the actual flow of air. So these are all like what controls your air and stuff inside of an EF. Down here there's a 12 and another 12 on this side because this whole dash has to come up together. You do have to remove the cover on this in order for you to get the actual dash out, but as you can see, the dash is almost ready. It's just a matter of taking care of the little precautions. This needs to be fixed. Robert's removing the seat, and we're removing that and that. We're keeping the heater. So that's what we're doing.
So Chris, is this your first time on the casting couch?
I'm here because I need money for college. My parents don't know. Don't tell my parents. Hi, parents.
Alrighty, you're gonna have to edit this shitty filming.
That's fine. This should come out first, but it's in the dash or the firewall. There's a clip here. Clip. Go. And then you feed it through the rubber. In your case, I'm gonna have to cut this rubber. So let me see that box cutter. You can cut filming. So we took off the blower motor, right? Y'all ever seen something like this?
Oh shit! It just keeps coming.
Ew. There's like a mask in there.
Look at candy.
Ew. Gross, dude. Ew. Ah! What? Ah!
I found the mouse! Oh god!
Ew!
Get it out!
Ew, I'm not touching it!
It's a baby!
I'm not touching it!
Oh, it had a mouse baby in here!
Ew! Dude, that was a rat's nest this entire time! What the fuck?
Ah!
Ew!
What the fuck, dude? What's wrong with you? Oh, there's 3! Stop! Oh, there's 4! Oh, fuck, come on. They're alive!
They're alive, dude! Don't throw them, don't drop them. Oh, look! Get like something that we can put them in, dude.
For what? You want to keep them bread?
No, I'm not trying to keep some bread, but they're fucking alive, dude.
Oh, man.
They're gonna die.
Let them in. Ah, there's 6!
That's 5, Robert.
No, there's another one.
Where?
Dude, all I heard was squeaking.
They're not gonna bite you.
No, I thought more fell out. Oh, man.
That's 5.
Dude, you better check and see if there's more, because rats lay a whole shitload of fucking babies.
God damn it, dude. Oh. That's gross. Where the mama at?
Oh, no, I don't know.
She's in the other, she's in the
She's in the EF. She's at her summer home.
She said, fuck them kids.
Okay, so we took off the cow, and we looked inside, and there's no more babies. So what we're gonna do is we're gonna vacuum all this crap out now. Just making sure there's no babies. There's a, like, silicone or something in there?
I don't know. Carmax?
Carmex? Oh yeah, look. There's a piece of shirt in here. Because they moved their babies and there's rat shit all over it. Dope. So there's no more babies. So he's vacuuming it all up. But the babies are in the box. We put them in this little box over here. Sound asleep. They're still breathing. So we're gonna try to figure out what to do with them. The mom is obviously a terrible mom, so we're gonna call CPS on her and get these kids a good home. So that way they can live a normal childhood life like they should. Because that mom is a bad mom.
Rancho Cucamonga.
No more blower motor, no more AC motor, or the blower motor, whatnot, and no more heater. So it's all gone. So that way this fucking rat's nest, sorry Rob, so that way this rat's nest will go up here and it will look a lot cleaner. I'm kind of in a weird position, as you guys can see. I got a fucking steering column on my dick. So yeah, just make sure you're not covering the mic. The mic is on top. You see a little slit on top? Yeah, just make sure you're not covering that. So after we remove this, we're going to put the dash back and put everything back together. This full stance. And that's and after that we're done for the day.
Yeah.
But we still got to redo the harness. Robert's putting back in his little plugs. That's tightened down. This is tightened down. The cover's back on. It's all nice and tightened down here. The only place that needs to be tightened is this bolt right here, and his side on that side. And then it's done. I got to fix his fuse, not his fuse box, his glove box for him because it's a little wobbly. Because that's what we do, is fix problems sometimes. So yeah, everything's coming together smoothly. If you guys could tell me what the hell this is for, we think it might be for that little beep 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 beep. But I don't know. Somebody cut that previously. We found a lot of stuff that was kind of like undone by maybe the previous owner, or when they did his alarm system. Maybe they messed it up, but we'll see. Okay, so most of the dash and everything's all put back together. Everything's all put back together. That's staying out and the cluster's staying out because he has that won't fit there. Because he's going to change the bulbs. He has the LED kit that he's going to put on there from efparts.com, and he also has the bulbs for this for efparts.com. So all he has to do is put back this bar right here underneath the dash, and then he has to put his kick plate. This is known as the fuse cover, but I call it a kick plate because it goes under there. Then this is on here, but it's not screwed in because we have to remove it anyways in order to put the climate control back in. So all that's out, and Robert's a father. How do you feel about being a dad?
Please adopt.
If you would like to adopt a rat, please DM me on Instagram. So we got the dash in, we got everything on, everything's good to go for the next process. So stay tuned. Make sure you guys subscribe. Make sure you guys like this video. Make sure you guys tell everybody about this video, including your fish, your cat, your dog, your mom, your grandma, whoever. And make sure you turn on the notifications so that way you guys know when I upload all the time. Because I don't upload all the time, but it's good to be notified, right? Now it's time for sponsors. If you guys need any head work done, head on over to SB Machine Shop. You can send your motor out. Even Slow Integra got his motor done. A lot of people I know got their motor done. Link is in the description down below. Make sure you guys hit them up. As for a new sponsor, we got R1 Concepts, who is now part of the Lazymangarage team. If you guys would like to buy some drilled or slotted rotors, or upgrade your drilled and slotted rotors, well, you know, get new ones, or get rotors or brake pads, high-end brake pads, use the email down below. Email them, tell them Lazymangarage sent you, and they'll hook you up and they'll take good care of you. Looking to do a brake line tuck, but you don't know where to go? Finishing Line got you covered. Make sure you guys go down and get the brake lines and get yourself free shipping on all the brake lines that you need from Finishing Lines. The link is down in the description down below. Need some dress-up kit for your car or any other kind of MPC hardware? MPC got you covered. Use the link down below and save yourself 10% off. Use the code LAZYMAN at checkout. You could use it as many times as you want, and it saves you some money, and that's what I'm all about, is saving you some money and making your car look sick.